Welcome viewers to my channel. Today's talk is for Aquarius zodiac sign and how the new year 2021 will be for you. Viewers, for Aquarius 2021 is going to be the major changer of your destiny. The positive part of the year 2021 for you is the transit of Jupiter in your zodiac sign from April 2021. The transit of Jupiter is considered very auspicious, very lucky in areas of finance and wealth, romance, marriage, education, profession, and even in expanding social circles. Therefore, viewers, you are likely to see an expansion in your life in all the above matters that were just now I discussed and shall be happy with the progress you will enjoy. No doubt the planetary position configuration indicates initially prior to April 2021 you will face some stringent moments with regard to finance and money, some challenges before April 2021. You may see a continuous and steady rise in expenditure that may make you dizzy at times. Viewers, there may be occasions where the expenditure will be more than your income. This may force you to rely on short term credit as per your planetary positions. Let me tell you, make sure such credits are only restricted up to the short term, as such credit can tempt you to take major risk, especially in the first few months of the year. Gradually, from the middle of the year, you are likely to see a steady rise and a big change in fortune, a business gain, a career jump, a promotion, a new job, a new appointment in administrative job, bureaucratic positions, or a political post, doctors, engineers, scientists, police officers, lawyers, judicial persons, builders, contractors, they will have a very favorable time period after April. And the second half of the year is a time period of Raja Yoga, super Raj Yoga present after the second half of the year. In fact, the year may be promising for you. If you are looking at investing in property, you can do it. Be it a first purchase or an investment, you may enjoy seeing options before investment. Viewers, it is a fact that 2021, in the beginning months of the new year, you may face some challenges. The year is likely to be giving you more experience than usual, with the sign Lord Saturn, Shani, being in your 12th house for your sign. Astrologically, the initial few months may see a rise in tension and you may face some challenges. Furthermore, the conjunction of a debilitated Jupiter may cause some issues in your life before April 2021. After that, you have a very good time period in job, marriage, health. Additionally, being the Lord of the second and the 11th, it may add to the stress and tension. Many of your planning may not be as per the scheduled activities, and this may lead to some disappointment initially. For you, these events may be a first time experience that can be emotionally taxing. Viewers, however, as the year 2021 will progress, you are likely to be happy, more fortunate, and more achievements never seen before you will witness. Your way of life is going to change drastically this year, and many events will favor you. Many of you will get a business contract, a government appointment like a police officer, or a bureaucratic appointment, administrator, or in finance, or banking, or insurance, or consultancy, or overseas appointment, or sudden business gains. The planetary position indicates that Jupiter is in your favor. Let me tell you further, this is very lucky for your marriage or love affairs or romance. You are likely to find your life partner. The year 2021 will bring some exciting surprises for you. From the middle of the year, there is high probability that you may come across some important person in your personal life. The emotional connection with this new person shall sow the seeds of romance and love. You may soon be connected, viewers, to a romantic relationship with this special person. The love and concern that was a vacuum in your life as an individual is now likely to be filled by this special person. Gradually, the two of you may even decide to settle down in a permanent relationship of marriage. Your emotional bond will turn out to be a legal binding. The past 18 months prior to 23rd September 2020 was not good at all. But the coming 18 months, as Rahu is transiting over Taurus and Ketu over Scorpio, this is going to be a big fortune changer in the next 18 months, especially after April 2021. Try to wear blue sapphire Neelam for Saturn. It will help you in a big way. Some of you asked me about their career and education. Without any doubt, I will say, as an astrologer, the planetary position does indicates very favorable year for your children's career and education. The transit of Jupiter in your sign will be auspicious for students planning to pursue higher studies. Your dedication and efforts may pay you good results since the start of the month. If you have already taken a clear plan of your action, then you may be successful in executing the same this year. In fact, your dedication and hard work are the core of every success that you enjoy during the year as per your planetary transit in 2021. With the prospect of good education, the future of a better career is also promised. Make sure you are clear with your fundamental knowledge, as you may also enjoy a good campus placement opportunity. Even if you are looking for new opportunity, then you are likely to find one with the help of your efforts and networking skill. After especially May 2021, your Mahabhagya Yoga or Maharaj Yoga in business, job, marriage is going to start. Rahu and Ketu in your favor, Jupiter helping you is a major factor which will help you despite slow beginning in the initial months of the new year. If you are keen on starting an enterprise, then there is a high possibility that you may pursue your dreams and start your own business. This is going to be very auspicious for money earning 2021. Wearing Neelam can add to your fortune. A word of caution I will say regarding your health: stay cautious. When it comes to health, uh, let me tell you, take care of your routine life, fitness, take care of your diet. There are chances that certain health disorder may strike you prior to May 2021. Nothing to worry. Take care. You will come out of all health issues and problems. Overall, I will say very fortunate, very lucky. Be prepared for a marriage or a job promotion or job appointment and a business gain. The happiest time of your life because of two major planets, Jupiter, Saturn, and the nodes, Dragon's head, Rahu, and Dragon's tail, Ketu, both are in exalted position. They are favoring you. This is the time period, as per my calculation, you will not encounter any problems in the year 2021. Do prayer, do charity, help poor and needy people, serve people, donate bloods, uh, help those who are helpless. You will find your time more favorable. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy. Subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.